To install your DEF pump on an IBC tote, start by fastening the coupler to the container valve. With the handle of the coupler in the top position, align the 4 tabs on the coupler with the notches on the container valve and insert the coupler into the valve. Turn the coupler clockwise within the valve, then pull the handle down to open the valve and lock the coupler in position. Next, hang the DEF pump and bracket assembly on the tote. Then install the O-rings on the pump inlet and outlet fittings, and install the fittings on the pump inlet and outlet. Turn the collars until they are completely seated with no threads visible. Install the hose barb swivel fitting into the nozzle and tighten with an adjustable wrench. Add hose clamps on either end of the short hose. Then install the short hose onto the tank coupler and the pump inlet fitting. Tighten the hose clamps with a flathead screwdriver. Next, add hose clamps on each end of the longer hose. Install the long hose onto the pump outlet fitting and the nozzle swivel fitting. Tighten the hose clamps with a flathead screwdriver. Finally, connect your pump to an appropriate power source and test to ensure functionality. If you have any questions, you can call our support line and speak to a USA-based product support representative in our factory that will assist you with installation, maintenance, repair, and warranty questions. This responsive live service is our legacy and our commitment to you. Thank you for choosing GPI.